come work on my lawn with me. I usually post videos about gaming products, tech, PC tips, and 3D prints. If you like any of that, visit my shorts form videos. As for long form, I don't really post much, but today we're gonna do a point of view video of me working on my lawn. I took out all the dead grass that was in the lawn and then mowed over it. Any brands out there that are within the tech space or even the garden and landscaping space, let's collab. I'm open to doing any UHC style content as YouTube isn't paying the bills right now. After mowing the lawn, I headed over to my backyard as I have a lot of weeds growing. My backyard is half forest, half lawn. So we're gonna spray these weeds. That way my lawn looks better and also it's easier to mow after the weeds are gone. Next, we're heading over to the garden beds. They have a bunch of weeds too, so we're gonna go ahead and spray those. After spraying the weeds, we headed over to Lowe's to buy some premium mulch. So we went with the premium all black mulch, which is the cheapest type of mulch that they have. We used it to fill up the garden bed since we had took out the mulch last year and never replaced it, and it was starting to look dry. And honestly, doing this yard work is very exhausting. So for anyone that works in gardening, props to you. So we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So if you like tech, gaming, or 3D prints, or yard work occasionally, make sure you subscribe. While we were at Lowe's, we also picked up a rose bush. So we're gonna go ahead and plant that right now. I had to shovel out some soil here. I should have done this before putting the mulch, but yeah, we did it after. Roses are great as they can survive the winters. You just have to trim them after every winter and they'll grow back every season. We also added some special soil here, that way it grows properly. Here's a before and after. So I didn't have a before picture. These are from last year. We actually cleaned up a lot last year. There was a lot of weeds and we planted those plants initially. So you can see the growth of these plants now in the after video.